Welcome to a world where cooking is more than just a task, it's an experience. Top 9 Luxury Billionaire Crystal Kitchens redefine opulence, blending breathtaking crystal features with cutting-edge design to create the ultimate culinary spaces. These kitchens are not just for preparing meals, they are spaces of aesthetic wonder and functional elegance, where every element speaks to the wealth and taste of their owners. Today, we'll explore 9 of the most jaw-dropping crystal kitchen designs, each more luxurious than the last. Imagine stepping into a kitchen with crystal chandeliers hanging overhead, casting a soft, magical glow over every surface. In one billionaire mansion, the entire kitchen island is made from clear quartz, giving it a luminous, almost ethereal quality. The countertops shimmer with finely crafted crystal accents, catching the light with every movement, transforming even the simplest tasks into moments of grandeur. These kitchens offer the perfect combination of beauty and functionality, where no detail is too small to be enhanced by crystal. One standout design is located in a private mansion in Monaco, where the kitchen is a statement of elegance and innovation. The backsplash is crafted from diamond-cut crystal tiles, each one reflecting light in dazzling patterns. The cabinetry features custom-made crystal handles that sparkle under the soft lighting, while the wine cellar is encased in crystal glass, displaying an array of the finest wines. The entire space feels like a living jewel box, combining modern technology with luxurious design. In another billionaire home in Dubai, the kitchen boasts an oversized island made entirely of frosted crystal with sleek lines and illuminated accents that bring the space to life. The walls are adorned with crystal paneling, creating a multidimensional effect that adds depth and texture. Every appliance is cutting-edge, seamlessly integrated into the design, while the lighting, from crystal sconces to